Probably won't be climbing up it. Alrighty folks, we are at the Iron Furnace picnic site of the Shawnee National Forest here in southern Illinois. There's the signage for it, and quite a bit of parking space, and of course the Iron Furnace. This is one of the little mobile tour spots. If you have that app, you can check it out. Got restrooms, picnic area. Here's some information about the Iron Furnace. Structure in the entire state of Illinois. This priceless historical edifice became part of Shawnee National Forest in 1950. It was rebuilt and enlarged, and I want to say the Civilian Conservation Corps rebuilt it. Iron ore was delivered for $1.75 per ton. Charcoal suppliers were paid 4 cents per bushel. And here's a little explanation of how it works. Very cool. And over that way, if you can see all the vehicles, that's like some little hangout spot where they jump in the creek, stuff like that. So here's the Iron Furnace. Very cool. Big structure. Looks almost medieval. Quite cool. Even a little trail. Oh. Steep little trail. Oh! Whoop. I guess just kind of takes you around the furnace. Let me make sure there ain't no snakies. Kind of cool little deal. Get up here and check the furnace out a little bit more. Probably won't be climbing up it. thought that was kind of cool. Cool little trail to check out. Always like a nice trail. Of course, this one ain't very nice. Oh. Somewhere around here there's more trails, and I think it may be across the street where all those folks are, but I don't really want to wade through them all. So, come out here in the fall, hardly anyone's around. Yeah, this should have worn my hiking shoes for this. These shoes aren't really the best. Whoop. It's pretty cool. It's pretty warm. It's pretty nice out here though. Definitely worth checking out if you're in the area. Hope you enjoyed this video.